Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to AWS RDS for the PostgreSQL 17.4 from PSQL client, Pgadmin and Dbeaver. Okay, see, I have connected to AWS console with my credentials. I am in North Virginia region. Okay, so first click on this services, search for RDS. See here we have the Aurora and RDS. Click on it. See here I don't have any DB instances running. Click on DB instances. See here in databases we don't have any databases. Click on create database. Then see here we have two methods, standard create or easy create. So always recommended standard create. Then select the PostgreSQL. Then come down. Then here we have to select the version. See here we have the latest version 17.4. Select it. Then see here templates, production, dev, test or pre-tier. It is up to you. If you want to create AWS RDS for PostgreSQL database for the production, you have to select this one. But the setup is same except few options like availability and durability. These will be not there for the pre-tier. See, both are grayed out. Okay, I am going with pre-tier. As I told you, the process is same for 3 templates. Then provide the name for this DB instance identifier. I am giving RDS DB PG174. Name can be anything, okay, but it must satisfy this constraint. Okay, then master username Postgres, but if you want to create some other, you can create and provide the password. Okay, if you want auto generate password, you have to select this one. I don't want, so provide the password. See, also see here the password must not contain these, okay, and it must be a printable ASCII characters. Confirm the same. Then instance configuration. See here for this pre-tier, the standard classes and memory optimized classes are grayed out. But if you select dev or production, these will be enabled. You can select either of these 3. Okay, so for pre-tier eligible, you can select DB-T3 or DB-T4Z. Okay, I am going with DB-T4Z micro. Then storage, I am going with general purpose SSD GP2 only. Allocated storage you can give up to this one. Okay, so I am okay with this one. Then additional storage configuration. See, this is auto scaling. If you want to enable, you can enable. I am not going to enable. Then connectivity. If you don't want to connect to an EC2 instance, you have to select this one. If you want to connect, you have to select this one. This is the default one. Then network type IPv4, VPC. I don't have any VPCs in this region, so it will create new VPC. If you have VPCs in this region, you will see in this drop down list. Okay, so DB subnet group, create new one, because here also I don't have anything. Then select public access to S firewall, that is VPC security group. Choose existing one or create new one. See, we have default one, so I want to create new VPC for this RDS PG security group. Availability zones, select any one of them. RDS proxy, I am not going to select. Additional configuration. See, this is the default port for the AWS RDS PostgreSQL databases. Authentication. See here we have 3 types of authentications: password authentication, password and IAM database authentication, password and Kerberos authentication. I am going with password authentication only. Monitoring, if you want database advanced options, you have to select this one, or if you want to go with standards, you have to select this one. I am not going to do anything. Next, see here additional monitoring settings, enhanced monitoring. If you want to enable, you have to select this one. Then see here we have these options. I don't want for this demo purpose, and if you want to export logs, select these check boxes. Then IAM role, I don't want. Turn on DevOps Guru, it is up to you. Additional configurations, so like if you want to create initial database name, I am giving bank. So this database will be created, and this will be the database parameter group. Okay. Backup retention period. See next backup, enable automatic backups, and backup retention period 1 day. Okay. So you can select up to 35 days. It is up to you. Deletion protection. If you want to enable protection, you have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it. And if you are okay with all the settings, review one more time these settings. Then click on create database. Suggested add-ons. I don't want. If you want, you can create proxy or create elastic cache cluster. See, status is creating. Wait until this creating status to be changed to running. See, we have created in this region. If you want to see the credentials, you have to click on here. Okay. See, this is the master username. Then copy this password. Okay. If you want to see the notifications, click on this drop down. See here, it is performing these actions. See, now status is available. Okay. Now click on this RDS instance, that is database instance. Okay. If you want to see the connection details, click on here. See, this is the endpoint which is used to connect to AWS RDS PostgreSQL. Here also you can get the same endpoint. Okay. See here the information, status is available, role is instance, engine is PostgreSQL, region and availability zone information. See, these are the subnets. This is the subnet group, VPC ID and other information. So now we will see how to connect to AWS RDS. If you forgot the password, click on view connection. Just this is the username and this is the password. Click on this button. See, master password is copied. Okay. So close this one. Keep the password somewhere. Notepad. Paste somewhere. Okay, and save it. Now click on this endpoint. This copy button. Now open Pgadmin. If you haven't installed Pgadmin on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install Pgadmin on Windows or Linux operating systems. Or open CMD. If you have installed Psql client on your machine, just give Psql -h, then paste the endpoint -u. Username is Postgres, then -d, database Postgres. Provide the password of this user that we have set. Okay, this is the master user. So I have given the wrong one, so it will throw error because here username is Postgres, not the Postgres. Hit enter, then provide the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Verify the list of the databases. See here RDS admin, which means we have successfully connected. Also, we can connect from the Pgadmin. Expand servers, right click on servers, register, then server. Then here provide the name. Name can be anything, not the host. In connection tab, we have to give the, instead of host name or address, we have to give endpoint. That we have copied from here. Okay. Then port number 5432. Maintenance database Postgres, username also Postgres, provide the password of this user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it. See here the database that we have created at the time of AWS RDS instance creation. See, here also we got the same. Okay. Now verify the version that we have installed. Select database, right click on it, query tool. Select version, select the query, click on execute. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL 17.4. Okay, you can also connect by using Dbeaver. Dbeaver, open it. Now click on this plus button, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Instead of localhost, we have to give the endpoint. Database Postgres, port number same, show all databases, username Postgres, then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See, connected successfully, click on finish, expand the connection. See here we have databases. If you want to run the queries, right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. If you want to create database, like create database, A to Z. Select it, click on this execute button. See, new database is created. Right click, refresh. See, we got the database. Here it is taking time, but we got the database here also. You can also verify here. \l is the command, or you can run the select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the new database. Okay, now go to AWS RDS console. Suppose if you want to modify or change the password, here go down. Here you can provide the new password. Then we have to click on continue once you save it. Okay, so that is the way. Then go back, click on RDS instance, or select this radio button. See, here we have the options like stop temporarily, reboot, delete, different options like setup EC2 connection, setup Lambda connection, etc. Okay, if you are not using, click on stop. If you are not using permanently, delete. So I am recommending you to delete if you are not using, because AWS charges are based on usage. If you keep this on, so charges will be there. So that's what I am asking you to stop temporarily or delete permanently if you are not using this AWS RDS for PostgreSQL anymore. If you select like delete, see, it will ask the confirmation like final. If you want to create snapshot, select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. If you want to retain automated backups, you have to select. If you don't want either of them, then you have to type delete me, then it will delete. Okay, in this video we have seen how to create AWS RDS for PostgreSQL 17.4. Then we have connected from the Psql client, Pgadmin 4 and Dbeaver. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.